Barrett-Jackson auctioned the first production spec example of the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 for $1.1 million in January 2019, and the company boss, Craig Jackson, won it. In October 2019, the car rolled off the assembly line in a custom color scheme. Jackson also owns the 1968 Shelby EXP500 prototype, which has the nickname Green Hornet, and his new one has a matching shade of dark green paint. The resulting deep shade of emerald comes from a lime green base coat with candy apple green over the top. The custom 2020 GT500 will be displayed at this year's Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale Auction in January. He'll surround it with other important Shelby vehicles from his collection, including the 1967 Ford Shelby GT500 EXP prototype.